Welcome back, students and parents. This is Miss Britt here. I wanted to go over lesson 2 with you, comparison problems. I wanted to explain this bar model to you and go through some of this information and then touch base on question number 1 and question number 2, and then give you some time to finish the backside and then submit your work to me through ClassDojo. Okay? All right. So Jamie has 3 times as many baseball cards as Rick. Now, anytime we are dealing with a word problem, we need to be thinking about our WEDS model. What do we know? We know Jamie has 3 times as many baseball cards as Rick. Together, they have 20 baseball cards. That's the number that we know. How many cards does Jamie have? Well, I'm going to skip all of these words and I'm just going to go straight to the model. Jamie has 3 times as many baseball cards as Rick. Well, here's Rick, and this is how many Rick has. Rick has this many. Jamie has 3 times as many. So when they match up, that is 1 times, because 1 times any number is the same exact number, 2 times, and then 3 times. That's what we know. We also know that together they have 20 baseball cards. This bracket right here is showing you that whatever this is combined with whatever this is has a grand total of 20. Cumulatively, they equal 20. So let's look at what we have. We have 1, we have N 1 times, N 2 times, N 3 times, N 4 times. So that tells me that N times 4 equals 20. Absolutely. And I could figure out what this is. I could count my multiples of 4. 4, 8, count them with me. 4, 8, 12, yep, 16, 20, perfect. So when I count my multiples of 4, I see that 4 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 4 5 times, or 5 times 4 gives me 20. I could have also used the inverse operation and asked myself, if something times 4 equals 20, then 20 divided by 4 equals that same something. Let's go back. Also, when we think about a word problem, we want to know what the word problem is asking us. How many cards does Jamie have? I know how many they have all together, but I want to know how many Jamie has. If N equals 5, because 20 divided by 4 equals 5, if N equals 5, then I can plug it in. N is 5, 5, 5, 5. If N is 5, then Rick has 5 cards, and Jamie has 5, 10, 15. Yep, Jamie has 15 cards. How many cards does Jamie have? Jamie has 15, and I'm going to call them baseball cards. All right, are you with me? Perfect. Let's move down here to number 1. Draw a model, write an equation, and solve. Maddie has 2 times as many stickers on her notebook as Meg. What do I know? I know Maddie has 1 times, 2 times as many stickers on her notebook as Meg. So Meg would have 1 times, and Maddie would have 2 times. What do I know? This is what I know. Estimate who's going to have more. Well, if the word problem says Maddie has 2 times as many as Meg, then her bar is going to be longer than Meg's. Together they have 15 stickers. Well, how do I show that together all 3 of these boxes equal 15? Oh yeah, I can do a bracket just like up here. This box plus this box plus this box equals 15 stickers. How many stickers are on Maddie's notebook? Well, first I have to figure out how many are on Meg so that I know what 2 times this is. If I look at this diagram, I know that 1 times, 2 times, 3 times something equals 15. And I could put any variable in there that I want to. I could put an S. So stickers here, stickers and stickers. 3 times S equals 15. Correct? Yes. Well, what could S be? Well, I don't know. I could count by 3s if I really don't know. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So that means S is really 5. So 5, 10, 15, and then my diagram makes sense because if altogether they have 15, 5 plus 5 plus 5 does equal 15. My question is, how many stickers are on Maddie's notebook? Well, let's go to Maddie. Maddie has 5, 10. Maddie has 10 stickers on her notebook. Perfect. Moving along. Number 2. How many more stickers are on Maddie's notebook than on Meg's notebook? Well, let me look at Maddie and Meg. Meg has 5. Maddie has the same 5, but then she has more. How many more are on Maddie's notebook than on Meg's? Well, if they have the equal number here, this is the more. Maddie has 5 more. Maddie has 5 more stickers on her notebook. And period. All right, my sweet friends, when you get done with lesson 2, remember, send me your work through ClassDojo so that I can send you back the answer key. I'm not going to show you the backside until you have had a chance to complete the work. So the way that I know that is when you send it to me through ClassDojo. I will talk to you soon. Hope you're doing well. Bye for now.